guys, this is Chris Lego Man. I'm going to be showing you my vending machines I bought. I have a Lego City, so I'm going to be, I bought something. I have a Lego vending machine I just bought. Custom. Stickers and all. And then this minifig didn't come with this vending machine. I just bought them separate so it looks good. He's Steven Jobs. There's the picture of the iPad. There's the iPad and the vending machines. Nothing on the back on the minifig. Nothing in the front. We got this one right here. We got a Pixel Cola vending machine. I'm not reviewing, I'm just showing you guys. And I'll show you the side and stuff. The other side. These are actually flat pieces, which I think that's very good. Nothing on the back. Stickers. iPad and iPad, Apple, sticker. Alright, it's Chris Lego Man. Comment and subscribe, please.